Hello, and welcome to Voice of Libraries, where knowledge speaks. Today, we're exploring the key systems that run modern libraries. We'll explore two key systems, ILS Integrated Library System and LMS Library Management System. This guide is for students, librarians, and knowledge seekers alike. Let's begin with ILS, the Integrated Library System. An ILS is a software system that integrates multiple library functions into a single platform. ILS manages core operations like cataloging, acquisitions, circulation, and serials, and links to the Online Public Access Catalog, or OPAC. The main focus of an ILS is the operational efficiency of physical libraries. Think of systems like Koha, Evergreen, and SirsiDynix Symphony. Now let's talk about LMS, the Library Management System. LMS is a much broader term. LMS handles all library resources, encompassing both physical and digital materials, such as ebooks, online journals, and databases. LMS focuses on internal library operations and user interaction, especially in the digital environment. Examples include Alma, modern versions of Koha, and Follett Destiny. Let's explore the key differences between these two systems, starting with scope and integration. ILS integrates core functions focusing on traditional operations. LMS, on the other hand, adds digital management, advanced reporting, and e-learning tools. ILS is mainly for physical libraries, while LMS is designed for modern hybrid or fully digital library setups. Next, let's look at the differences in user interface and e-resource handling. ILS typically relies on the OPAC for searching and circulation. LMS offers modern web-based portals, self-service options, and mobile applications. E-resource handling is limited in ILS, but advanced in LMS, which manages subscriptions, licensing, and electronic delivery. Finally, let's compare their capabilities for reporting and analytics. ILS provides basic reporting, whereas LMS offers advanced analytics, including usage statistics, engagement metrics, and detailed budget tracking. To help you understand the core difference, let's use a simple analogy. Think of ILS as physical store management, handling internal inventory and checkouts. LMS is like a physical and online marketplace, managing everything from inventory to digital delivery, customer accounts, and mobile apps. To summarize, ILS is traditional and focuses on internal processes for physical collections. LMS is modern and flexible, including ILS functions plus digital resources and user access. Essentially, all ILS are technically LMS, but LMS is the broader modern system. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Voice of Libraries for more insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.